Hey everyone, and today is our morning routine. So I did my daily routine, but I left some things out because I thought y'all be like, this is boring. But no, here's our morning routine, and so let's go. Morning, Mr. ZV. Come up. Yes. Morning. Good morning. Did you wake me up this morning? Yes, you did. Gonna go do our morning routine? Yeah? You want to? Good boy. Whoop. Okay. Whoop. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Need the water. You still don't like baths. Why? You're not a bath bird? You're not a big bath bird? Okay. Silly boy. Silly boy. No, no baths for Zivi. Zivi don't like baths. No, Zivi not a bath boy. You see that mirror? You see the mirror? Okay. Okay. There you go. Come on. Look at this water. Want to take a bath? Hey, you want to take a bath? No bath? They're weirdos. Doesn't that feel good? You don't want a bath. You don't want a bath. Yeah, okay. Do that for me, okay? Can you do that? Can you take a bath? No? Look at me right there. Yeah, can you do that? Weirdos. You head bobbing? And that's why we think it's a male. One of the reasons. One of the many reasons. Hey, don't do that. Outside the sun. Dirty window. I can't clean that though. It's the outside. Yeah, it's the outside. You're so cute. You like looking outside? You're not even looking outside. You like looking outside, Zivi? Yeah. It's pretty. It's pretty. Guys, just thought I'd say, look at this cute little toy we found. It's dropping it. It's a budgie. So cute. Just think of it. What do you think of this? I named it Sweet Pea after you. Is this cute? You don't know what to think? Okay. This right there. Zivi's just giving it like the side eye, like, no. The disapproval. Baby does not approve. Hey, baby. Your nose looks pink in here. Why does your nose look pink? Look at that pretty girl. It's so pretty. So pretty. She's so pretty looking. Yeah. Phoebe's trying to eat his reflection. Yeah. You know, I know. He's a weirdo. While the birds are sitting on the windowsill, I'm going to go wash their water bowl. So the way I clean my water bottle is super simple. All you have to do is pop off the top. You might not have a top. I do. And let me just show you the reason you should. Do you see this right here? That's poop. So we want to get that out. And then there's like bubbles right here. My water has a bunch of bubbles in them because it has a filtration and stuff. Anyway, so I just do this and I clean off because it feels slimy. It's gross. So just wipe that off. Okay, I just like to clean the whole thing. You don't have to do that, especially the perch because it keeps moving all the time. Just don't take it off here. Then the top, normally in the back it has some. Clean this pretty nice. Just got nice and slimy stuff there in the corner. Okay. Rinse it out a couple times. And then so if you're wondering why that's white, because it has air filtration. So, yeah. That's super simple, and that's how I clean mine. If it's dirtier, which it shouldn't be because you're supposed to clean it every day, you want to use some other cleaners, bird-safe cleaners, because cleaners are toxic to birds. So make sure you have something like that. And that is in there. So, I do need to clean their cage though. I'll do that in a little bit. What you doing, Zevie? What you doing? Nothing? Why are you shaking your head? Nothing? Oh, you all fluffed up. Yeah. You comfy? He just waddled all the way over here. I don't know what he's doing. What are you doing? Come to say hi? Come say hi to that? Okay, so I'm gonna refill one of their homemade toys. These are DIY toys, they're very easy. I could make a video if you want me to on how to make them, but I'm pretty sure you can just copy this right now and be like, oh, I can make that. So basically, it's a toilet paper roll, and then we cut it in half, and then we cut these like this. Stick them in like this, and then we are going to fill them with, grab some of this, or millet. I like to use the big chubby ones. They have more millet on them, millet seeds, stuff. whatever that is. And we're going to cut it in the middle, like so. 2 pieces. Stick one in this way. It is a very messy craft, kind of. Do it. So you can hear all of those millet stuff falling. Anyway, this is kind of the purpose of it. You want it like that. Then you can also put a string through here if you want to. I don't want to right now because I already have one hanging in their cage. Or maybe they took it down. I don't know. Anyway. So like that. Super simple, and it's a foraging toy. Great for your birds. I want to cut this off because it's bothering me. Anyway, it's great for your birds, good for them, and I would recommend making one of these. Got one of your toys. Oh, I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah. Fluffy penguin. Do you have a pink Sarah? It looks pink. Does that mean you're a girl? That's what I hope you are. Yeah. It just kind of looks pink, but you're still a baby. And I think you're a boy, so. Yeah. Skateboarding bird. Okay. Yeah, he was a skateboarding bird. Yeah. The skateboarding bird. Yeah. Okay, you can get off. It's even got feathers on the back. Is he lazy? Did he have to go to his cage for a little bit? Yeah, did he want to go in there? Yes, he did. Yeah, he did. Do you want to go say hi to the neighbor? You want to go say hi? Yeah, let's go say hi to the neighbor. Come here, baby. Oh, there she is. Do you ready to say hi? Iris. Come here, Barbers. Come here, little one. You say hi? Huh? You saying hi? There she is. She might bite you. She's a little feisty. Yeah. Hi. Hello. Say hello. Hello, Everest. She's crawling. You need to say hi. Ow. Hello. This is what we're working on. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed our morning routine. ZV wanted to go back to his cage, so we let him go there. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think was the best part of our morning, besides me being woken up by these screaming children. Anyway. You put yourself up? That's what she does. She's good at that. Alright, bye-bye.